This physics science kit contains 12 experiments. In the video, only an experiment is Roly-Poly Toy. The Roly-Poly is a classic toy. Now, children can also make a Roly-Poly. It is also very interesting. In the video, only an experiment is a lazy ball. It's just a round ball. It can run down very quickly, but if you add something to it, it becomes lazy and can't run. This toy guides children to learn the secrets of science. In the video, only an experiment is float a ball in the air. When you blow the air into the straw, you will find that the ball will float on the flying saucer. You can try a variety of different methods to discover the mysteries of physics. This physics science kit contains 12 experiments. In the video, only an experiment is hot-tempered ball. When the magic wand is rubbed, the ball in the cup will follow the magic wand. It is amazing for children. In the video, only an experiment is fun fact. No matter how much force you use to blow the ball, it won't jump. When you put the toy upside down and keep blowing, it still won't fall. It is amazing. This physics science kit contains 12 experiments. In the video, only an experiment is floating and sinking beads. Use some magical buoyancy to let the beads float or sink, which is a good learning opportunity for children. This physics science kit contains 12 experiments. In the video, only an experiment is magic roller. You push it forward, it will automatically run backward. You push it backwards, it will automatically run forward. This physics science kit contains 12 experiments. In the video, only an experiment is fishing game. Self-made fishing experiment to improve children's hands-on and thinking ability and guide children to learn a fun thing. This physics science kit contains 12 experiments. In the video, only an experiment is Electrostatic Octopus. You can use a balloon to let Octopus float on the air. Try a variety of gameplay, and the child will feel different fun. This physics science kit contains 12 experiments. In the video, only an experiment is tornado. Children can use the bottle to make a tornado and look for the secrets of a tornado.